Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we will design a new mechanical part, step by step in CATIA V5. We will analyze the shape, create sketches, and build the final 3D model. Let's get started.
I was dreaming in my sleep, now wide awake. With CATIA by my side, there's no mistake. Always had a wish to create and design. Now I'm building futures one line at a time. Could sketch a ship or design a plane. With CATIA, every dream I can sustain. Stay with me, I'll show you how it's done. Our journey to the stars has just begun. Dreams with CATIA come alive, stay tuned. In a world of possibilities, our talents bloomed. From the sketchpad to...
Hello everyone. Today we want to start the first exercise in the part design environment. I have designed these exercises so that they can be done using the tools I have taught so far. I will show you two parts. First, I start with the lower part. This part consists of a rectangular element with a strap-like element. First, I draw the rectangular part. I go to the sketch environment using the YZ plane. I activate the profile tool and start drawing with it. I draw the shape so far its bottom is aligned with the H axis. I fully constrain the shape. Pay attention if unwanted changes happen in the shape during dimensioning. First, try to fix them by moving the different elements. I return to the part environment. Using the pad command, I give volume to the sketch in symmetric mode. Look, in the pad window, I entered the value 76/2. There was no need to calculate it. The software does the calculation itself. Now I go to the sketch environment on the XY plane. I want to draw the second element. I draw it on the upper part of the rectangular piece. After fully constraining it, I return to the part environment. Now look, if I give volume to this sketch, in the isometric view, the image looks reverse compared to the reference. To match the image, I need to rotate the shape in a space. My suggestion is to color one face of the rectangular part before drawing the sketch. Then enter the sketch environment. By rotating the part in a space, you will understand on which side you should draw the sketch. I draw the rest of the part. You can see the final shape. Now I want to draw the upper part. First I check the part and its symmetry. I can draw this part in two ways. First, I can draw a sketch equal to the pink face of the part, then make it three-dimensional using the pad command, and then complete the remaining parts of the model. Or I can draw two separate sketches, then combine them using the solid combine command. First, I go with the pad method. Two points can be seen in drawing this shape. The first is the small cylinder on top of the part. Its top is not flat, it is rounded. The second is the lower pocket, where 19 mm is removed from one side of the initial volume. This pocket is not symmetric. By selecting a suitable plane, I enter the sketch environment. I draw the shape using the profile tool. I fully constrain it. I return to the part environment. Using the pad command in symmetric mode, I give volume to the shape. I enter the sketch environment on the pad surface. Using the profile tool, I draw the shape and fully constrain it. I return to the part environment. Using the pocket command, I remove material from the initial volume. Now to draw the upper cylinder, I need a plane. This plane can be tangent to the curved surface of the initial volume or above it. This plane is created parallel to the XY plane. Pay attention to the offset value you give. Now I go to the sketch environment using this plane. I draw only the larger circle. I return to the part environment. I activate the path command. I set the path direction to up to next. I activate the more option and give a sufficient path value in the opposite direction. Now using the YZ plane, I go back to the sketch environment and draw a circle. The radius of the circle must be 4 mm larger than 21. This circle must be concentric with the 30 mm hole. Now I draw a rectangle and remove the extra parts. I return to the part environment. I use the pocket command to remove material from the cylinder. You can see that the top of the cylinder becomes curved. Now, using the same plane I created before, I go to the sketch environment and draw the inner circle. After fully constraining it, I return to the part environment. Using the pocket command, I create a hole. Our shape is complete. Now I draw it using the second method. First, using the YZ plane, I enter the sketch environment and draw the pen face shape. Then I exit the sketch environment and enter it again using the XY plane. I draw a central rectangle with the dimensions you see. I return to the part environment. Make sure that none of the sketches are active. I activate the Solid Combine tool. I select the two sketches. The shape is created, the remaining parts are the same as before. Well, today's exercise ends here. First watch the video once. Then try to do it again based on your memory. Good luck. Goodbye until the next lesson.
Let's build the future. Come with me.